इस वक्त हम लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज के अंदर मौजूद हैं और यहाँ बहुत ही खास मेहमानों को वेलकम कर रहे हैं हम। जनाब यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के ज़बरदस्त चमकते दमकते स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका ताल्लुक मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से है।
The most important things which is, engraved in my mind is that the people here in Pakistan, they respect women a lot.
How is your time here in Pakistan?
पाकिस्तान मेरी दूसरी वतन है।
Achkala jorapa salis famashte.
Zahra, have you seen this before?
No, I've never seen such this in anywhere else.
أنا شفتك هذه السمانة قلبي تكتك بحشي مكانة.
हम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं लाइक नेवर बिफोर।
Kebab, Pakistani kebab, and a bit more spicier, and also have more spices than what we ate. So actually, it's good.
This is the place everyone should come and explore the Pakistan, discover the Pakistan and traditions and culture.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, दिस इज योर होस्ट मैसम अब्बास और आप देख रहे हैं डिस्कवर एक्सक्लूसिव। और ये डिस्कवर एक्सक्लूसिव जनाब बहुत ही स्पेशल है। इस वक्त हम लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज के अंदर मौजूद हैं और यहाँ बहुत ही खास मेहमानों को वेलकम कर रहे हैं हम। जनाब यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के ज़बरदस्त चमकते दमकते स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका ताल्लुक मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से है। 8 से 10 ममालिक से उनका ताल्लुक है और आज हम ख़ास तौर पे ये जो लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज है, लाहौर शहर के बीचों बीच एक गाँव जो आबाद है, इसमें हम उनको वेलकम करेंगे और उनको दिखाएंगे कि पाकिस्तान का, पंजाब का गाँव कैसा होता है और पंजाब में जो देहाती ज़िंदगी है वो कैसी होती है, खालिस ऑर्गेनिक जो लाइफस्टाइल है वो कैसे होता है। तो आज बड़े भरपूर अंदाज में, शायद ये मनाज़र उन्होंने पहले अपनी ज़िंदगी में नहीं देखे होंगे। तो आज का ये डिस्कवर एक्सक्लूसिव हमारे लिए भी बहुत ही ख़ास है, इन सब के लिए भी बहुत स्पेशल होगा और यकीनी तौर पे आपके लिए भी बहुत स्पेशल होगा। साथ रहिएगा, आज बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। तो जनाब लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज के अंदर हमने स्पेशल मेहमानों का शानदार पुरतपाक इस्तकबाल किया है। जो एक मेहमान नवाजी पाकिस्तानियों की, पंजाब वालों की, लाहौर वालों की पहचान है, उसी ज़बरदस्त अंदाज में, रवायती अंदाज में हमने उनको वेलकम किया है। और आज मैं अकेला होस्ट नहीं हूँ बल्कि आपके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज़ भी है जनाब। मेरे साथ एक ऐसी स्पेशल को होस्ट हैं जिनका ताल्लुक भी बहुत ही ख़ास मुल्क से है और जो पिछले 5 साल से यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर में फार्मेसी की स्टूडेंट हैं और बड़े बेहतरीन अंदाज में उनका टाइम गुजरा है। और मेरे लिए बड़े एजाज़ की बात है कि मैं इनके साथ जो है वो होस्टिंग के फ़राइज़ सर अंजाम दे रहा हूँ। सो विद मी इज़ ज़हरा। ज़हरा, I welcome you here in Lahore Organic Village. I hope you're doing great.
Thank you so much. Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Iran and from University of Lahore. I'm a student of pharmacy and I am here today in Organic Village and with all my international friends from University of Lahore and
So ज़ाहरा अकेली नहीं है बल्कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के चमकते दमकते सितारे जिनका ताल्लुक मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से है, सूडान से है, श्रीलंका से है, ईरान से है, सोमालिया से है, युगांडा से है, बांग्लादेश से है, फ़लस्तीन से है, उनके स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो लेके आई हैं, उनसे ज़रा हम गपशप करेंगे। सो ज़ाहरा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी योर एक्सपीरियंस हियर लिविंग इन पाकिस्तान। You have been here for the last 5 years, I guess?
Yeah, almost I'm here for 5 years. Okay. And actually this is my second home.
Okay, so Pakistan
is my second home.
दूसरा घर है इनका.
Yeah, and we love Pakistan as our motherland.
Great.
And we have faced so many kindness here from the people of Pakistan.
Okay.
And
so
the life is easy
which
for us.
one memory will you cherish forever from here in Pakistan?
the most important things which is, engraved in my mind is that the people here in Pakistan, they respect women a lot.
Great, great.
I have faced this many times in many places.
Okay.
And it's very valuable for me.
ये जो ईरान जो है वो बिल्कुल जनाब हमारा भाई है और पाकिस्तान ने हमेशा ईरान के साथ ऐसा ही खड़ा हुआ है और आजकल के हालात में भी हमने देखा कि पाकिस्तान ने ईरान को ऐसे सपोर्ट किया. सो ज़रा आई गेस वी विल जस्ट
Yeah,
मूव
let's
अराउंड
go.
एंड
Let's
जस्ट
go.
आस्क सम कैजुअल क्वेश्चंस. जनाब कुछ कैजुअल गपशप होगी इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ. इनसे जानेंगे कि इनका पाकिस्तान में टाइम कैसे गुजरा है और उन्हें पाकिस्तान को, पाकिस्तानी कल्चर को, पाकिस्तानी सकाफत को, पाकिस्तानी लाइफस्टाइल को कैसा एक्सप्लोर किया है. सो ज़रा प्लीज़ इफ़ यू कैन होल्ड अ माइक एंड please.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah,
Could
thank
you introduce yourself?
First of all, I'd like to say thank you for Pakistan and thank you for the whole people that stand around this stuff. Actually, it's my pleasure to be here with you and share my experience since I have 4 months here. Actually, I'm Khalid Ahmed. I'm from Sudan, and that is, the most important thing that when someone tell you or say to you, could you describe that country, wherever you met, wherever you seeing, and actually I'm just surprised about Pakistan.
Okay.
Because when I was in Sudan, people say to me Pakistan is not good and it's not like that, and when I come here I'm just surprised.
Okay.
So say mashallah, it's so fine.
So
it's
your
good.
image about Pakistan changes when you visited
It's
Pakistan.
changed, definitely changed,
Okay, that's
100%
great.
changed.
I think
So, and
it's
that
common
is-
for all of us.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, all of
When
us.
we are in our country, we have,
All the
back-
negative image
yeah,
about Pakistan.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Because of the media, I
Okay.
think this is
okay,
the reason.
Okay. So Discover Pakistan is actually promoting the true image of Pakistan.
She's my country fellow.
Okay,
She's
okay.
also from
Khushamadid,
Iran.
Khushamadid.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dorsa. I'm third year of the DPT
Okay.
and in University of Lahore,
Okay.
and I'm happy to be
So
here.
how is your time here in Pakistan?
Pakistan, मेरी दूसरी वतन है. And sometimes I thought about it, how should we live here
Okay.
with this kind of memory we have in these years, and
It's
I
going to
love
be
Pakistan.
difficult for us to
Yes.
leave.
Oh.
Yes.
So have you visited any village before Lahore Organic Village?
Actually, not like a village, but I go to Islamabad,
Okay,
Swat,
okay.
or some
The beautiful
kind
places around, but this would be a lifetime experience for you.
I think
Yeah,
in some places like this, it's necessary for
It's
Lahore.
just a start. It's a
Yeah.
very organic and natural place. So you will have a great time here. We will
Yes.
come back to you.
Okay.
थैंक यू. तो जनाब जैसे उन्होंने कहा है कि ईरान जो है वो ईरान और पाकिस्तान भाई भाई हैं और पाकिस्तान उनके लिए दूसरा वतन है. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. यही बात है जनाब, यही हमने दुनिया को दिखाना है कि पाकिस्तान जो है यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ ममालिक के लोग बसते हैं, बड़े पुरअमन अंदाज में बसते हैं. उनका पाकिस्तान के हवाले से जो नैरेटिव है वो बदलता है जब वो पाकिस्तान देखते हैं. प्लीज़ सो व्हाट वी हैव नेक्स्ट.
Hi everyone, I'm Dorsa Mirza and I'm from the third semester of DPT
Okay, so you're from which country?
from Iran.
From Iran.
Yeah.
So what's the meaning of your name? It's very special.
It means being look like a pearl.
Look like a
Pearl.
pearl. Okay, एक चमकते हुए हीरे की तरह, एक चमकते हुए मोती की तरह. वाह, खूबसूरत नाम है. बिल्कुल. So, what's your experience here, living in Pakistan, living in Lahore, living in University of Lahore?
Actually, before came here, I thought that I will face so many difficulties in here and so many issues. But when I came here, I saw that no, actually life near Pakistanis is easy.
Okay.
Because they will help you in different ways actually. Yeah.
So can you share one memory that you will cherish forever when you go back to Iran?
For example, because the situation of Iran, there is a war in Iran. I faced so many difficulties, like I couldn't call my parents
Okay.
or stuff
I hope
like
they are
this.
safe.
Yeah, they're safe right
Great,
now,
great.
alhamdulillah. Then once I was so sad that I started crying near one of my Pakistani friends, and randomly she started crying too. I said, why you are crying? She said that because you are my friend, I saw that you have.
Not just friends, brothers. Okay,
Yes.
दिल का रिश्ता है, from heart to heart. So
Yes,
it's a hard
exactly.
connection from Iran to Pakistan.
Exactly, it is
Great,
like this.
great. So मुश्किल हालात में जैसे पाकिस्तान ने साथ दिया है, वो इनके जहन में अभी भी याद है, ताज़ा यार वो ये इस मेमोरी को हमेशा चेरिश करेंगी. So Zahra, what's next?
Hello, my friend. How are you? Could you
Assalamu alaikum.
introduce yourself?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Husna and I'm from Afghanistan and
Oh,
student
she's from
University.
Afghanistan.
She's from Afghanistan.
Yes.
जनाब सो पाकिस्तान के जो हमसाए हैं और उन्होंने इधर मौजूद हैं. हुस्ना, क्या खूबसूरत नाम है. It's a very beautiful name, Husna.
Thank you so much.
Great. So you are studying which subject you are studying?
Radiology.
Radiology. Okay, so you want to be a radiologist in the future?
Yes.
Great, great. So what's special about Pakistan that you will cherish in Afghanistan?
About Pakistan, first of all, it like has been a very good and memorable for me. It's a good experience
Okay,
that I'm
great.
here, and as everyone said, that this is our second home.
Great.
So we are happy as a student and especially as a woman.
Okay.
I'm happy and feel safety here. So the people are so good and so kind.
Okay.
So the best thing is for us is important the education that
Okay.
I am here because of education.
So you can sing something in Pashto. अफगानिस्तान की ज़बान है पश्तो, तो पश्तो में गाना तो होना चाहिए ना. पश्तो में कुछ शायरी. You can recite any poetry or anything.
Indeed, I'm Pathan.
Okay.
I'm Pashtun.
Okay.
And I don't know any but I want to say a sentence. Salam kha raglast.
Okay.
Or it means.
So you can say by seeing the camera.
Okay. Salam kha raglast or singayast. It means welcome or khushamadid or means how are you. It is in Pashto.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Thank you, great. So Zahra, we have another student from
Yes,
Uganda.
Uganda, yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Well, by name I'm called Hashif Abdu Juma. I'm from Uganda.
Okay.
Yes.
So for how long you are here in Pakistan?
Now this is my third year now.
Third year.
Yeah.
You're also from University of Lahore. What do you do
Of
there?
course, I'm a student of pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yes, sixth semester
Okay,
now.
the same subject you are following. Okay. So what's your dream, to become a pharmacist or what?
Yeah, it's my dream to become a pharmacist, but not only a pharmacist, but I want to become a CEO of a hospital.
Oh, great. Hospital का CEO बनना चाहते हैं. Ideas अभी से बड़े
Bright
ज़बरदस्त
future.
हैं. Bright future and very passionate about his future.
Yes.
So all the guys are saying that you are a tremendous singer.
Who are these
And
guys who are
who
saying
are
that
these
I'm a
guys?
singer? Why am
कौन लोग हैं ये जो ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं सिंगर हूँ? But they are saying ये सब कह रहे हैं. So you have to sing something for us.
I'm not a singer.
Okay, try.
I'm not a
Let's
singer.
Try.
I don't know any song, but Pakistanis taught me one song. Like when somebody puts on
Okay.
black.
Okay.
Chikala Jorapa.
Sadi Farmashte. Okay.
So that's the only song I know, you know.
So you know the Kala Jora Pa Sari Farmaish.
Yeah, like when somebody puts on black and looks cute, like the other bro from Iran, also shawarma, you know.
Okay.
And he was looking cute in it.
And you will ask them, can you repeat the song?
Chikala Jorapa. Sadis Famashte. Kali Kralo, something like that, you know. Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Have a
Thank
seat.
you so much.
तो जनाब आपने देखा और सुना कि ये लोग पाकिस्तान से कितनी मोहब्बत करते हैं और उनका पाकिस्तान का ये जो सफ़र है ये कितना यादगार कितना मेमोरेबल जो है वो होने जा रहा है. ज़रा another special
Been here for 1 or 2 hours and it's really interesting places. We have discovered Pakistan, the culture, the food, the vegetables, everything. It's very interesting, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's very
Should we ask
interesting,
the students?
So, guys, are you excited to explore Lahore Organic Village? Yes. That's great.
Very
ये
good,
बहुत
very
excited है जनाब और ये चाहते हैं कि explore करें Lahore Organic Village. So हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि क्या खास खजाने छुपे हुए हैं पाकिस्तान के, पंजाब के, लाहौर के. देसी अंदाज में तेल कैसे कशीद किया जाता है, कैसे निकाला जाता है. कोलू, देसी कोलू शायद ही आपने जिंदगी में इससे पहले देखा हो. So Zara, have you seen this before?
No, I've never seen such this in anywhere else.
So with the help of the camel,
Nice.
ऊँट की मदद से जनाब ये देसी ऑयल जो है वो
Oil.
निकाला जाता है. It's very organic and this guy is getting the seeds and with the help of the
Okay.
camel. Zahra, we have some amazing friends from
Yes.
Kenya and Morocco. They look very excited. So, what's your name?
My name is Nasreen.
Nasreen. Yeah, very
Nice.
common name here in Pakistan
In
as
Iran
well.
as well.
Iran as well.
Yes.
Yeah, Nasreen is a common name.
International name.
International name. So you have a very good international name. So how long you have been in Pakistan?
Approximately 7 months now.
7
7
months.
months.
Great. Share your experience. 7 months are enough to explore.
It's been a wholesome experience.
Okay.
I've got to see the culture, the people. It's quite different from Africa's situation.
Okay.
So I got to interact with people from different countries, Iran and Pakistan,
Okay.
all over the world. Got
Okay.
to meet my friend Shema from Morocco.
Great.
Nice.
Met nice friends, got some really nice experiences.
Okay.
Got to try Pakistani food like karahi and
Karahi.
gosht,
Chicken or beef or mutton?
mutton karahi.
Mutton
Mutton
karahi
karahi.
is her favorite.
Have you learned to cook any Pakistani food?
No.
No. I tried to learn biryani.
Okay.
Once I cooked.
Okay. And
It
you
was so
succeeded
good.
or not?
Yes, I
It was
cooked it
good?
for my family in my Iran.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So Nasreen is saying that you're a great singer.
That's a lie. That's a lie. No.
But
You're
but,
friends
but
with
you
my
can try.
voices.
You can try.
I start carrying half the tune.
Okay.
Okay,
Like,
Please.
You have to start. We will.
They will pick it up for you.
Yeah.
Like, أنا شفتك هذه السمانة قلبي تك بحشي مكانة.
is it in Arabic?
Yeah, it's in Arabic. Morocco speak Arabic.
Arabic.
Okay. Okay. Any special message for Pakistanis?
Like, I want to thank them all for hosting us and for making us feel like we are home. Thank you so much.
So जनाब लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज तो हम एक्सप्लोर कर ही रहे हैं एंड ज़ाहरा इज टेलिंग समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग to me.
Yeah.
Zahra, what you are saying about the culture of
Yeah,
Pakistan?
we were talking about the culture of Pakistan.
Yeah.
What is interesting for me, I found it here, is that Pakistani people, they are much more attached to their traditions and their
Okay.
cultures.
We
And
thought
this is
same thing
very
about the Iran.
valuable.
Yeah.
We are following the cultures,
okay.
but like in Iran, very rarely you can
Okay.
find the people
Okay.
who are wearing the Pakistan traditional clothes.
Yeah.
But in Pakistan, I found most of the people like your clothes, they are wearing the traditional clothes, and it's
Okay.
very valuable.
So जनाब हम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं लाइक नेवर बिफोर और अभी हम शाही सवारी यानी बगी के अंदर मौजूद हैं एंड ऑल द यू गाइस आर लविंग दिस एक्सपीरियंस
Yes.
ओके सो ज़हरा शेयर योर थॉट्स अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग इन कैरेज
Yeah, we never thought that we can find such a village and experience the village
Okay.
life inside the Lahore in this big city. It was interesting and amazing. experience.
centuries ago this was the mode of transport here in Lahore and now it has changed and become
Changed,
fast
okay.
but Lahore Organic Village has kept the history safe and preserved.
Nice. It's
Yeah.
so good.
So जरा टूर करते हैं जरा साथ रहिए हमारे. तो जनाब लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज के अंदर ऑर्गेनिक नेचुरल और देसी अंदाज का जो पंजाबी खाना है वो जनाब सर्व हो चुका है. कबाब हम देख रहे हैं, दाल, कढ़ाई, एवरीथिंग, काबली पुलाव, बहुत इस तरह का कुछ और अब बहुत लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. ज़हरा, योर थॉट्स अबाउट द फूड?
Yeah, it's so amazing. I have tried some of them previously,
Okay.
but some of them like this. I don't know the name of this. I haven't tried.
दाल. This is
Dal.
माश की दाल.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't tried this,
Okay, you
but I have
should.
tried white karahi
White
before.
karahi, yeah, white
and
karahi.
this kebab as well. It's
You must have
delicious.
tried kebab before.
Yeah, I
कबाब
have
तो सबने
tried.
खाया
I have
होगा
tried.
ना?
I have
कबाब तो
tried.
सबने
Yeah.
खाया होगा. So जरा इधर हम चलते हैं. What you are eating?
No, actually, I'm eating kebab, Pakistani kebab, and it's so
What's the
different
difference
from.
between Irani kebab and Pakistani kebab?
I don't know, but it's so different. This is spicier.
Okay, a bit
Have-
more spicy.
Yeah, a bit more spicier, and also have more spices than what we ate. So actually, it's good.
It's
I
good.
like it. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, Husna,
Yes.
you're eating Kabuli pulao, a special delicacy from Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Are you liking this?
Yeah, it's so good. थोड़ा सा different है from Afghanistan, but it is good. Yeah, in taste.
Okay, so what's the difference?
Different, we are making kabuli pulao with different ways. Like थोड़ा सा taste भी different है, मगर it is also good.
लेकिन
and
मजे का है।
tasty.
मजे का
Yeah. Yeah, of course. and
Okay, मजे का है।
all also delicious and nice.
Okay, great. So, Nasreen is eating Kabuli pulao. Are you loving this, Nasreen?
It's really nice. I love it.
What is the common thing about the food of Kenya and Pakistan?
We also have our own version of pilau,
Okay,
but it's very different.
it's very different.
It's very
Okay,
different.
okay. So, are you a meat lover?
Yes, I love it, but
Okay.
I love chicken more.
Chicken. Do you cook as well yourself?
Tora.
थोड़ा थोड़ा। तो जनाब खाना यहाँ पे जारी है और ईरान से हमारी एक और मेहमान मौजूद है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर की तालिबा। मुझे बताइएगा, शेयर योर थॉट्स अबाउट पाकिस्तानी फूड एंड डू यू कुक योरसेल्फ एज वेल?
Yes, I
Okay,
cook,
okay.
and actually I tried before all these foods because I'm a food lover,
ओके,
and I
she is a
love.
foodie.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love spicy foods, but you know, in Pakistan some
Normally
foods,
Iranian
yeah,
people like less spicy.
Less spicy.
yeah, but foods are very delicious.
But you know, in Pakistan, we change our taste.
Okay.
When we are in Iran, we are asking for the more
Yes, more
spices,
spicy, yes.
more pepper
The
in the
taste
food.
has developed for
Change,
spicy.
yeah.
After 1 year, when I went to home, I told my mom, why your food is like this? It doesn't have any taste, yeah. And it's so good.
तो जनाब लाहौर शहर के दिल के अंदर वाक़ जो गांव है लाहौर ऑर्गेनिक विलेज, वहाँ पे क्या ही रियल टाइम लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, ना सिर्फ मेरे लिए आप सब के लिए बल्कि इन सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन इनका ताल्लुक जो है वो मुख्तलिफ नेशनैलिटी से है, मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से है। कोई सूडान से आया है, कोई बांग्लादेश से आया है, कोई नाइजीरिया से आया है, ईरान से आया है, फ़लस्तीन से आया है, और क्या ही शानदार तरीके से उन्होंने एंजॉय किया है। सो व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे?
I really liked the sunflower garden.
Sunflower
It
garden.
was so romantic and
Okay,
lovely.
okay.
I really
And you got a
liked
lot of pictures there as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I will suggest everyone, this is the place
Okay.
everyone should come and explore the Pakistan, discover the Pakistan and traditions and culture. Definitely, you guys should come.
So this is situated, Lahore Organic Village is situated in DHA. So you can come here and have a great lifetime experience that you will ever miss and you will ever enjoy. So अब हम बढ़ते हैं एक आखिरी तो नहीं है, सेकंड लास्ट कह लीजिए, एक शानदार किस्म का, एक धमाकेदार किस्म की परफॉर्मेंस होने वाली है जनाब। Drum Circle. Have you experienced before
No,
Drum
this
Circle?
is my first
This is my first
Yeah.
time. Okay, great. So Drum Circle जनाब होने वाला है और देख रहे हैं ये लोग तैयारियां पकड़ रहे हैं। Drum Circle आप जानते हैं, आपने शायद ट्राई किया होगा, लेकिन ये Drum Circle एक इंटरनेशनल Drum Circle होगा जिसमें मुख्तलिफ नेशनैलिटीज के लोग एंजॉय करेंगे और हम भी इनका साथ देंगे। Stay tuned.
Maisam, me and my friend had a very good and fun day here.
Did you have? Yes.
Everyone enjoyed here. It was really good experience for us. We discovered Pakistan and traditional life and culture here. And I suggest everyone to come and visit this place.
It was a great honor to host all of you guys. और जनाब आज हमने यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के इन चमकते दमकते सितारों को जिनका ताल्लुक मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से है, उनको वेलकम किया, उनके साथ पूरा दिन गुजारा और यकीनन आपने हमारे साथ एंजॉय किया होगा। इनको तो बहुत मज़ा आया। ड्रम सर्कल से लेके जो उन्होंने लाहौर का और पंजाब का जो ऑर्गेनिक लाइफस्टाइल देखा है, दे एंजॉयड अ लॉट एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच। यू आर अ ग्रेट
Thank
होस्ट
you so much
एंड
for your
आपका बहुत शुक्रिया
hospitality.
कि आपने आज का प्रोग्राम देखा। सो वी विल एंड इट। पाकिस्तान
Zindabad!
पाकिस्तान
Zindabad!
once more Pakistan
Zindabad!
Zindabad!
Thank you so much.